Hi. Last time I saw you, we were rocking the stage together, and you did way better of a job than me. I should have just let you finish the whole show off. You did. How old are you turning?
10.
You're turning 10? Can I sing something for you instead? Happy birthday. Happy 10th birthday, Chevelle. Now with my music, I really do appreciate that. That memory you made with me on stage will stick with me forever, so I really am very appreciative of you. Could you guys bring in the birthday present? Something for you to hold on to from me. It's my signature guitar, so that's my thank you for your life. As you grow in this life, and as things try to take away your light, just hold on to it and protect your light. Don't let people tell you what to like or what to do or how to be. You are a light soul, and just hold on to that and protect that, okay?